This week's publisher's assignments are in Chapter 2. The first thing you should do is read the chapter. What I'm looking at is an ebook, but you should see the same thing in your textbook. It's on publishing a trifold brochure. So please be sure that you read the chapter first so that the assignments do make sense. Once you've read the chapter, at the end of the chapter are the assignments. The first one is apply your knowledge. And there's an image of what it'll look like when you've finished all the instructions. In this case, run Publisher and open the file Apply 2.1 Picture Collage from the data files for students. You can get these data files in the course. I'm going to go back to Blackboard. And here's your assignment 1. And here are the files that you will need. You can also download all of them at once from the publisher's website. In Blackboard, click on Publisher's website on the left and Data Files for Students. And you can download those files. Chapters 1 through 3 are zipped. Save the files. And then you would need to unzip them before using them. Okay, so then you would follow all the instructions in Apply 1. Again, this is just like your textbook. The next one is Extend your knowledge. So you would do Extend. Be sure that you follow each of the instructions because that's what you're graded on. And be sure that you save it as it requires. We do not do the Analyze, so you can skip that one. But we do labs 1 and 2 in most cases. In this case, you are doing lab 1 and 2. There's lab 1. And there are the instructions. It shows you what it should look like when you've finished. And then lab 2, editing an order form. And it shows you what it should look like when you're finished with all the instructions. And that's it. You do not do lab 3. When you finished with the assignments, you will then go back to upload them here. Click on assignment 1, or in this case it'd be 2, and you will upload the assignments. Upload all of them at one time or singly, but before you submit, be sure you've uploaded all of them. You can save the draft and come back and upload more later if you want to store them there. And here's where you'll browse my computer to attach the files. Make any comments to me that you need to, and submit. And then once you've done that, you're ready to take the quiz. and it's the last thing you'll do that week. To take a quiz, you click on it, read the instructions, click continue, and the quiz pops up. Answer each question. There's usually at least one essay question at the end, sometimes more. Please feel free to ask any more questions that you need for the assignment. End of this video.